right there? Oh my gosh! Ah! Oh my gosh!
Oh my god. Holy.
A heavy rainstorm swept through the streets of the Cannet area in Cannes. In a street in Adra, a river carried trucks and cars away with its current.
Madre mía.
Intense rainfall hit southern Spain, causing sudden flash floods in the rivers. A small tornado lifted a car and threw it into oncoming traffic.
Are we watching a tornado form right there? Oh my gosh! Ah! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Powerful gusts of wind blew away chairs and bent even the sturdiest trees. During a mega storm in Croatia, a large tree almost fell on a car, leaving everyone holding their breath for a moment. This video shows the terrifying power and intensity of the Andover tornado. Security footage reveals cars being flipped over by a tornado in a Salisbury parking lot. Dashcam footage captures a falling tree narrowly missing passing traffic. Severe dust storms swept through California cities, showing nature's fury. Storm with tornado warnings brought fierce winds to Texas. A tornado swept through Salem, Indiana, with winds reaching 90 mph, causing significant damage. Panicked people tried to leave the mall during a cyclone but were helpless against the strong winds.
Meu Deus do céu. Meu, tá levando, viu?
One man prioritized saving his papaya tree over staying safe indoors during Hurricane Milton's wind and rain.
No! Can't make Milton take you. We can't make Milton take you. No, my tree. I can't make Milton take you away. We've been together so long.
Mira, hola, los barriles, las maquinitas. Tiene la bolsa.
A tornado passed through Spartanburg, bringing strong winds and heavy rain. A man in Florida got stuck while trying to witness the inside of a tornado.
This is the scariest thing I've ever been in. Oh my god. Holy. I hope this stops. I just saw a car flip over in front of me.
A stunning moment when a 30-meter high tornado rose from the ground into the sky. School surveillance footage clearly shows the strength and impact of the tornado that hit Andover. This video shows the damage caused by strong winds and storms in Texas.
Oh my god, dude. Be careful. Oh shit. Oh my god, that thing's gonna break.
These are the shocking moments of nature that remind us how small human power is. Thank you from the heart for watching till the end. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in another disaster video. Until then, take care.